Hello students. Now today we discuss the area of a parallelogram. The question of exercise 9.3, question number 3. 9.3 exercise 9.3, question number 3. So that the diagonal of a parallelogram divide it into four triangles of equal in area. So that the diagonal of a parallelogram divide it into four triangles of equal in area. Now figure is ABC, A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. AC and BD are the diagonals of parallelogram. The diagonals intersect at the point O. The diagonal intersect at the point O. O is the midpoint of AC and BD. O is the midpoint of AC and BD. O जो है AC और BD का मिड पॉइंट है. इन ट्राइंगल ABC, इन ट्राइंगल ABC OB is median. OB is median. OB is median. Then the area of AOB equal to area of BOC. First, area of BOC in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD OC is median. OC is median. Then area BOC equal to area COD. Now number 2. In triangle ADC, in triangle ADC OD is median. OD is median. Then triangle area of triangle COD equal to area of AOD. That is third. In triangle ADB OA is median OA is median, then area of AOD equal to area of AOB, that is 4. From 1 to 3, 4. From 1, 2, 3 and 4, area AOB equal to area BOC equal to area COD equal to area AOD. Now all the triangles of equal in area, the diagonals of a parallelogram are divided. 4 triangles are all triangles are equal in area. All triangles are equal in area. Clear? Next question. Next question, question number 4. ABC and ABD are the two triangles. ABC and ABD are two triangles on the same base AB, on the same base AB, if the line segment CD is bisected by AB at O, so that area of triangle ABC equal to the area of triangle ABD. ABC and ABD are two triangles on the same base AB. If the line segment CD is bisected by AB at O, so that area ABC equal to area ABD. Now the triangle ABC and the triangle ABD, the line CD bisected by AB at O. Clear? Now the solution of that question. In question number 4, in triangle ABC, AO is the median. Why AO is the median? CD is bisected by AB at O. CD is bisected by AB at O. So in triangle ABC, CO is median. Then area AOC equal to area BOC first, and in triangle ABD, in triangle BCD, once again, in triangle ACD and AO is the median of the triangle AOC equal to AOD. Clear? In triangle BCD, OB is median. Then area of triangle BOC equal to area of triangle BOD. Now second, adding first and second area AOC plus area BOC equal to area AOD plus area BOD, that's equal to area ABC equal to area ABD. प्रूफ। देखो ये एक ट्रायंगल ऊपर है ABC, एक ट्रायंगल नीचे है ABC। अगर हम ट्रायंगल ACD को लेते हैं तो AO जो है वो मीडियन है। इस ट्रायंगल की एरिया और इस ट्रायंगल की एरिया दोनों इक्वल होगी। अगर ट्रायंगल BCD लें और BO मीडियन हो तो ट्रायंगल BOC और ट्रायंगल BOD इन दोनों की एरिया इक्वल होगी। इन दोनों कंडीशन को ऐड करने पर AOC प्लस BOC इक्वल टू ABC एंड AOD BOD इक्वल टू ABD। क्लियर? ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, DEF are respectively the midpoint of side BC, CA and AB of triangle ABC. Of triangle ABC. A, B, C. D, E, F. D, E, F. Clear? In triangle ABC, show that BDEF is parallelogram. Show that BDEF is parallelogram. Second, DEF equal to 1/4 area of ABC. And third, area BDEF equal to 1/2 area ABC. Now see, in triangle ABC, EF parallel to BC. In triangle ABC, EF parallel to BC, then by the midpoint theorem, EF equal to 1/2 BC and D is the midpoint, so BD equal to 1/2 BC. In triangle ABC, EF parallel to BC, so EF equal to 1/2 BC and BD equal to DC, so BD equal to 1/2 BC. So therefore EF equal to BD. EF equal to BD. EF equal to BD. BF and DE. BF and DE are parallel and equal. Parallel and equal. BDEF are parallel and equal. Then therefore BDEF is parallelogram. BDEF is parallelogram. Now BDEF and AEDF and DCEF are parallelogram. So therefore area of BFD equal to the area of DEF. Area of BFD equal to the area of DEF and the area of AFE equal to the area of DEF. Now the area of CDE equal to the area of DEF. Now adding all the areas, and all area, therefore all the areas of the triangles are equal to the 1/4 area of triangle ABC. Clear? It is the second part. And the third part, area of parallelogram BDEF equal to the area of triangle DEF plus area of triangle BDE, or area of BDEF equal to the twice of area of DEF and twice of area DEF equal to the 1/4 of area of the triangle ABC and the area of parallelogram DEF equal to the 1/2 area of triangle ABC. Clear? Now thank you.